Starting around 23 October 2023, Cardano generally is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. ADA generally has a genuinely complete market cap of $9,342,054,628 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $181,534,615, or so they thought. This for the most part makes Cardano, ADA, especially positioning at 8 in the digital money market in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Cardano really be especially worth in 2023, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Cardano a sort of wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will ADA cost basically outperform its untouched high, which is very critical? These sort of are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost for the most part is supposed to in a real sense cross a by and large normal value level of 34 cents, the normal for the most part least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to essentially be 33 cents, or so they thought. Besides, ADA can really arrive at an essentially greatest value level of 37 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano value estimate August 2023, the kind of normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could fundamentally go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, which sort of is very critical. ADA could fundamentally be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of 31 cents, with the kind of least expected cost of 28 cents, or so they thought. Cardano value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the fundamentally most extreme cost for Cardano could basically stretch around 33 cents, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 in a real sense is 30 cents, with an essentially normal cost of 31 cents, which really is genuinely huge. Cardano value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is supposed to truly be at around a fundamentally least of 31 cents, exhibiting how might ADA cost essentially outperform its unequaled high, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can generally arrive at a sort of limit of 34 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, which really is very huge. Cardano value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano in every way that really matters is supposed to basically be at around a by and large least of 32 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of 36 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, in a sort of huge way. Cardano value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could for the most part stretch around 37 cents, which truly demonstrates the way that Cardano cost can fundamentally arrive at a very limit of 36 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, or so they by and large thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 fundamentally is 33 cents, with an especially normal cost of 34 cents, or so they truly thought. Cardano kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Cardano's cost certainly has shown a very decent increment of 3.13% in the sort of most recent 24 hours. Exhibiting that starting around 23 October 2023, Cardano by and large is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. From an every practical sense, most recent 7 days the ADA in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.36% in an every practical sense, significant way. Cardano truly has shown exceptionally in every way that really matters, solid potential recently, and this could be very great chance to dive right in and most certainly put resources into a very enormous way in fact. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA truly diminished by 40.820%, dispensing with an astounding genuinely normal amount of 18 cents from its sort of current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a for the most part great essentially purchase a valuable open door for fundamentally fast interest incredibly. The 90 days cost change truly is near 30.18%, and the cost flowed from a kind of least certainly normal cost of 37 cents to truly most extreme truly normal cost of 39 cents in the kind of beyond 90 days, genuinely further appearance how Cardano cost can by and large arrive at a limit of 34 cents with the truly normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano generally is somewhere near 1.49% with the truly greatest by and large normal cost of the coin sort of was around 27 cents and the base typical cost of sort of was around 26 cents in especially beyond 4 months in a for the most part enormous manner. Cardano Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will explicitly be Cardano exceptionally worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? The ADA cost truly is estimated to generally arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 37 cents, with exceptionally least cost of 33 cents, toward the finish of 2023, so the ADA cost explicitly is determined to truly arrive at an especially greatest degree of 37 cents, with extremely least cost of 33 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which really is very huge. Does Cardano basically have a future in a quite huge manner? As far as cost, Cardano in a real sense has an extraordinary in every way that really matters potential to arrive at new levels, exhibiting that Cardano truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost fundamentally has shown an especially decent increment of 3.13% in the truly most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that starting around 23 October 2023, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an all things considered significant way. It certainly is figure that ADA will increment in esteem, exhibiting how assuming that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Cardano for the most part be genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Cardano can essentially stir things up around town, much the greatest cost of $12.87 till 2030, so as far as cost, Cardano certainly has an exceptional fundamentally potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels. Exhibiting that Cardano extremely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Cardano's cost generally has shown an especially decent increment of 3.13% in the essentially most recent 24 hours. Exhibiting that starting around 23 October 2023, Cardano for the most part is exchanging at 27 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in